VoiceCube has found out the right approach when it comes to developing voice applications, and today I'm going to share that with you. So with every client that we consult with, we give them a steady approach of 5 steps, and I'm going to share the 5 steps with you today. The first step is conversation strategy. In this step, we actually identify if voice application is really meaningful for the client or not. That is, whether the use case really makes sense. Because voice technology and human-computer interaction can be very fancy, and probably a lot of people want to incorporate this new technology in their business, but it should really make sense, right? I mean, it should really make an impact to the user by making his job of performing a task easier. So the first step is making a conversation strategy, making a persona profiling of all the users that are going to use the application, and making sure that the conversation design is on point. So the second step is writing a script. What I mean by writing a script is writing down all the possibilities of different conversations a user can have with the business. So the second step is very important. It is writing the script of different conversational paths and where they lead the user to. The third step is figuring out the voice user interface. This is again a very important step, because over here we decide whether the application is going to be built on the Alexa engine, the Google engine, or we are going to build a custom NLP application. So in this step, we figure out what are the intents and what are the user utterances which are mapped to certain intents. So this entire process is called intent classification. The fourth step is actually developing the software. So for each and every step and each and every intent that is built in the intent classification, we actually write a function. This is a purely software development life cycle over here, where we create a lot of functions and then we integrate those functions to certain databases or ERP system. So the fourth step is development, where we develop iOS applications, web applications, or Alexa skills, or Google Home actions in order to make this possible. And the fifth step is where we are going to connect all of these together and create a content management system for the user and the admin or the business owner to actually manage his voice applications better. So this content management system is going to help the users manage the content that goes into each and every conversation.